Hey everyone and welcome back. Want to add captions to your videos automatically using Whisper AI? Let me show you how on the free plan. First go to whisperai.com and upload your video file. The free version accepts files up to 25 megabytes. Select your spoken language from the drop-down or leave it on auto detect. Now the important step, choose SRT or VTT as your output format. These are subtitle files that work with video editors and platforms. Click transcribe and wait for processing. Once complete, download your subtitle file. To add captions to your video in CapCut, import your video, then click Text then Captions, choose Import SRT and select the file. Whisper generated, the captions will appear perfectly synced to your video. For YouTube, upload your video and the SRT file together in YouTube Studio. YouTube will automatically display the captions. For other platforms like Vimeo or social media tools, the same SRT file works everywhere. Pro tip: if your free plan file size is too small, use the command line version of Whisper locally. It has no file size limits and generates SRT files directly. Just run Whisper your video.mp4 format SRT and the subtitle file appears in your folder. And that is it. Whisper AI creates accurate captions in minutes for free. If you caption your videos, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.